Hello, good morning everyone, and welcome back to Civil Verse 360. So today we are going to calculate or estimate a single room which is dimension is 5 meter into 4 meter and the wall thickness is 30 centimeter. Here you can see the section. The PCC is 90 centimeter and brickwork in first footing is 60 centimeter, second is 50, third is 40 centimeter, and the superstructure height is 3.50 meter. So as name suggests, center line. So for long wall we need to take from center here till here the total distance. Similarly in short wall we need to take center from here till here. So let me give you the formula of center line method. So center line is equal to summation of long wall into number of walls. That means how many numbers of long wall are there plus summation of short wall into number of short walls. How many short walls are there in a plan? So let me calculate. First we will calculate for long wall. So long wall distance will calculate. First the center line of this wall. For long wall we need to take from here till here the total distance. So as we know this wall is 30 centimeters, so which is equals to 0.3 meters. So 0.3 divided by 2 plus the distance is here till here is 5 meter, so plus 5 meter, and similarly the wall thickness is 0.3 meter, so we need to take center. So 0.3 divided by 2 plus 0.3 divided by 2 which is equals to, so answer is 5.3 meter. And what formula suggests? Number of wall, so into number of wall. So here you can see the number of long wall is 1 and 2, so multiply by 2 which is equals to 10.6 meter. Similarly we will calculate for long wall, short wall. So center we need to take the distance divided by 2 for wall thickness. So wall thickness is 0.3 by 2. From here till here distance is 4 meter, so 4 plus again we need to take center of this wall. So 30 centimeter divided by 2, so 0.3 meter divided by 2, so it's coming 4.3, and into number of wall as formula suggests number of wall. So short wall, here you can see in the plan short wall is 1 and 2, so number of short wall is 2. So 4.3 into 2, 8.6 meter. So we need to add both short wall and long wall. So let me add answer plus 10.6, so we are getting 19.2 meter. So center line length L is equals to, we have got 19.2 meter. So now we'll calculate all the quantities. So first we have to calculate excavation. So excavation, first description is our excavation. excavation in earthwork. So excavation in earthwork, number, always just write number as 1 in centerline method. Length we have got length 19.2 meter. 19.2 meter. Here we got 19.2. And breadth is 90 centimeters, so 0.9 meter. Height is, now you can check height, 90 centimeters, so 0.9 meter. You need to check the excavation from the ground level, below the ground level. So here this line represents the ground level, so below the depth is 90 centimeters, so height is 0.9 meter. Similarly, we calculate the quantity. We have got the quantity is 15.552 meter cube. And now second we have, and you can check PCC. So PCC, plain cement concrete. So plain cement concrete, number as 1. So length we have got 19.2. Breadth is again, breadth is for PCC is 90 centimeters, so 0.9 meter. Now you have to check the height. So we are doing for PCC only for this, so height is 30 centimeter, which is equals to 0.3 meter. So we have got 5.184. This, the quantity unit is meter cube. Okay. And now number 3, we have to calculate brickwork in first footing. So let me write brickwork. First footing. So brickwork in first footing, as number is 1, length we have got 19.2. breadth is 60 centimeters, so 0.6. height is 30 centimeters, so 0.3 meter. Again we need to calculate the quantity. 19.2, so quantity is coming out 3.456. First footing. First, second footing, number is 1. Length we have got 19.2. breadth is for second footing is 50 centimeters, so 0.5 meter. height is again 30 centimeters, so 0.3 meter. So quantity is coming out 2.88 meter cube. Now we have calculated from till here. Now we need to calculate for the plinth level. So plinth level, number is 1. Length is 19.2. breadth is, now you can check, breadth is 40 centimeters, so 0.4, and height is 60 centimeter. From here till here the height is 60 centimeters, so 0.6. so we have got 4.608 meter cube. We have calculated all the brickwork till here. Now we need to calculate the brickwork in superstructure in this. So let me write 4. Brickwork in superstructure. So number is 1, length we have got 19.2, and the breadth is 30 centimeter, a similar wall thickness, so 0.3 meter. Height is, now height is, here you can check, the height is from here till here, height is 3.50 meters, so 3.50 meter. Let me calculate the quantity. So quantity is coming out 20.16 meter cube. So we have calculated all the quantities. So after that we need to add all these quantities. So summation is equals to, we have got, after adding, 51.84 meter cube. So we have calculated all the quantities. The total quantity is 51.84 meter cube. Here's the plan. So thank you.